Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 27th of October 2022, approaching midday here in Europe. Looking at crypto markets so far today, to be honest, my levels are remaining unchanged from where we were at this point yesterday, and that's because we've seen a pretty quiet past 24 hours, truth be told. Yes, there was some promise throughout the day yesterday and it was a pretty strong day all in all, but we've just pared back some of them gains. And the trades so far today, as you can see, Ethereum and Bitcoin on the left there, just ticking lower, and that's because equities have also just been moving lower slightly. You've seen Meta, Google, Alphabet, all making big moves lower on the back of disappointing earnings. And will that just weigh on sentiment throughout the rest of the trading session, in particular when the Nasdaq and the S&P open in the US a little bit later on? That correlation had been looking like it might be coming to an end, but moves recently both to the upside and downside. You'd seen Bitcoin, for example, remain extremely flat, but just over the past few days, while you've seen an equity rally and risk on, you have seen that correlation return, and so far today that's proving to be the case. So Bitcoin did hit that 21,125. Well, didn't quite get there, but you can see that was the overhead level which we'd been targeting, and then we have seen a move back off that. So that remains the overhead level where we're facing some stiff headwinds, it would seem. A move back into the 20k area shouldn't be too surprising. Ethereum, for all intents and purposes, looks like a really solid breakout there. You can see that downtrend line, solid break off the range, and a move up into the 1700 handle shouldn't be ruled out. I think that'll be looking quite likely. 1550 is looking pretty key. You can see we're currently holding around about there. If that fails to hold, then a move and a fade of this entire move throughout the past 2 days could be on the cards, and therefore a move back into the 1385 region. Ripple completely flat. As you can see, Litecoin just showing some similar characteristics there to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and starting to tick a little bit lower following the last couple of days move higher. That's a wrap for today's brief. There's not too much more I can add for today. I'll see you all in the chat room and we'll take it from there. Thanks guys. Bye for now.